Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through a successful Google ad campaign for a real estate investor that in the last 14 days alone has generated 18 leads. Hey guys, it's Dustin with ClicksGeek here. Before we get started, if you can please click the thumbs up below, I would greatly appreciate that. Also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe for more great videos. Now let's dive into this campaign. Okay, as I mentioned, we're going to be reviewing this from a 14-day window. This particular campaign only has a $375 per day budget. It has 91 clicks. It has a conversion rate of 19.78%. And this is increasing because we are constantly split testing in order to increase this, because the higher the conversion rate, the lower the cost per lead. So then we have 18 conversions or leads, and we have a CPA, a cost per acquisition of $205.25 currently, which is comfortable for the client. And then we have a total cost for this campaign in the last 14 days of $3,694.48. So yeah, in this particular campaign, we're running both lead form and calls. So the consumer has the option to either call from a landline, dial from a mobile device off of the landing page, or they can fill out the application on the page, and then all that's tracked back into this campaign. So let's take a look at the ad groups that we're using for this campaign. Okay, so you can see the top ones here that we are looking at: Cash for Homes, Sell My House Fast, Buy House, My House, We Buy Homes, Companies That Buy Homes, We Buy Houses, Jacksonville. So as you can tell, this company is in Florida because they're targeting Jacksonville and Tampa. So yeah, so inside of each one of these, we have both the keywords, ads, everything that would be closely related to, Cash for Homes would be organized inside of this as far as keywords. And then that way we can then also communicate down on the ad the same verbiage like Cash for Homes, which increases the conversion rate because the consumer or increases the actual click-through rate, because the consumer is essentially being shown an ad that is relevant to what they're searching. And then as you can see, we have a target CPA of $225. And then since we're actually getting the leads at $205, that's great. So we're well under our actual target CPA, which is great. So let's take a look at the keywords that we're using for this. Okay, so as you'll see here in the keywords, we're using both exact match and phrase match. So exact match means that the consumer, whatever they search for inside of this campaign, has to be pretty much exactly Cash for Homes in order for this campaign to pop up for this keyword. And then phrase match means that Buy My House has to consist inside of what they search for on Google in order for the campaign to show. So that's kind of gives you an idea of what we're looking at here. If you're interested in having our company build a successful campaign like this one for your business, please reach out to us by using the application link down in the description below. We'll get back to you really quickly. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.